Hello all, welcome back to Winners Capsule. Today we will discuss some important questions for various competitive exams. Before moving to the questions, if you are watching our channel for the first time, kindly watch completely, share and subscribe. And for notifications, kindly press the bell icon. So let's move on to the first question. Which of the following Indian state is also known as Land of Red River and Blue Hills? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Assam, C. Meghalaya and D. West Bengal. Answer is option B. Assam. Stretching across the Brahmaputra Valley and surrounded by garlands of hills is the land of Red River and Blue Hills. The red refers to another name of Brahmaputra. So, Assam is known as Land of Red River and Blue Hills. Moving to the second question. When was the Battle of Haldigatti fought? A. 1776, B. 1676, C. 1576 and D. 1476. Answer is option C. 1576. Battle of Haldigatti, a battle fought in Rajasthan on 18th June 1576 between Maharana Pratap and the Mughal Emperor Akbar's forces, which was led by Man Singh I of Ampam. Mughals were the victors, but they failed to catch Pratap, who escaped. So, the Battle of Haldigatti was fought on 1576. Third question. Every year, 1st October is celebrated as Global Hand Washing Day, B. World Animal Welfare Day, C. World Post Day, D. World Vegetarian Day. October 1st is celebrated as World Vegetarian Day. Option D is the right answer. It is celebrated to highlight the advantages of being vegetarian and to show the meatless life can also be a very delicious life. October 1st is also celebrated as International Day of Older Persons and International Coffee Day. Global Hand Washing Day is celebrated on October 15th. Also, Pregnancy and Infant Loss Remembrance Day and World White Cane Day is also celebrated on October 15th. World Animal Welfare Day is on 4th October and World Post Day is on 9th October. Fourth question. Consider the following pairs. First one is Dampa Tiger Reserve, Mizoram. Second, Gumti Wildlife Sanctuary, Sikkim. Third, Saramati Peak, Nagaland. Which of the following pairs is or are correctly matched? Answer is option D, 1 and 3. Gumti Wildlife Sanctuary is not correctly matched. Dampa Tiger Reserve is located in Mizoram and it is declared as a tiger reserve in 1994 and is part of Project Tiger. Gumti Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Tripura. Saramati Peak is a peak rising above the surrounding peaks at the mountainous border of Nagaland state and the sagging region of Burma. So, Dampa Tiger Reserve is in Mizoram, Gumti Wildlife Sanctuary in Tripura and Saramati Peak in Nagaland. Fifth one, the Radcliffe Committee was appointed to A. To solve the problems of minorities in India, B. Give effect to the Independence Bill, C. Delimit the boundaries between India and Pakistan and D. Inquire into the riots in East Bengal. Answer is option C. Delimit the boundaries between India and Pakistan. Boundary Commission was appointed by the final Viceroy of British India, that is Lord Mountbatten. This commission consisted of 4 members from the Indian National Congress and 4 from the Muslim League. Commission was chaired by Sir Cyril Radcliffe. Demarcation line was published on 17th August 1947 upon partition of India. The demarcation line between India and Pakistan is known as Radcliffe Line. Sixth one, which country hosted the Water Technology and Environment Control Conference? A. Israel, B. Nepal, C. India and D. Japan. The Water Technology and Environment Control Conference was hosted by Israel. The theme of the conference was Water Stewardship and Innovation, driving global leadership in the responsible planning, management and protection of water. So the Union Minister of Jal Shakti, that is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, has represented India at the 8th Water Technology and Environment Control Conference 2019. Moving to the 7th question. Acid rain is caused by the pollution of environment by A. Carbon dioxide and nitrogen, B. Carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, C. Ozone and carbon dioxide, D. Nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. The gases which are responsible for acid rain is nitrous oxide and sulfur dioxide. Answer is option D. Moving to the 8th question. According to the Indian Constitution, which of the following are fundamental for the governance of the country? A. Fundamental rights, B. Fundamental duties, C. Directive principles of state policy, and D. Fundamental rights and fundamental duties. Answer is option C. Directive principles of state policy. Part 4 of the Indian Constitution, it contains 20 directive principles of state policy, and these are listed from Article 36 to Article 51. So, according to Indian Constitution, directive principles of state policy is a fundamental for the governance of the country. 9th one. Which of the following city was famous as Gibraltar of India? A. Indore, B. Gwalior, C. Jabalpur, and D. Balaghat. Answer is option B. Gwalior. Gwalior Fort is considered as the Gibraltar of India, and it is one of the most ancient fort in India, located in Madhya Pradesh. It is said that Mughal Emperor Babur described it as the pearl in the necklace of forts of Hind. Also, it is given the epithet Gibraltar of India, and it provides a panoramic view of the old Gwalior town, which is to its east. Fort was built by Raja Mansingh Tomar in the 15th century. So, the city famous as Gibraltar of India is Gwalior. Moving to the 10th question. India's first Ramayan Art Museum was established at A. Bilaspur, B. Indore, C. Damoh, and D. Orcha. Answer is option D. Orcha. Saket Ramayan Kala Sangrahalaya, the country's first museum which displays the traditional arts associated with the Ramayana, themed artwork in various tribal art styles. Museum was established in 2005 and it is located in the heart of Orcha, Madhya Pradesh. So, India's first Ramayana Art Museum was established at Orcha. So, thank you for watching this video. If you found this video useful, kindly subscribe. Thank you.